welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. Thank you so much for choosing to watch today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the benefits of being a virtual assistant. Now, these benefits do apply if you are an online service provider. So let's say you're a content writer, content creator, social media manager, these benefits apply. So it's been 2 years and I've been having fun with my business. I've learned a lot, I've grown a lot, and I feel like these are the key things that you need to consider before you actually venture into this online business. And what I like is that you can freelance, you can work from anywhere, and you can also work part-time. And recently I was working on my branding and I was able to get this sweater. I'll drop the information for the company in the description below so you can check them out and get your own branded sweaters. But how cool is this? So one of the key benefits I noticed is the freedom, the flexibility. Like just working online, working from anywhere, you have the flexibility to choose your hours, to choose how you work, who you work with, whatever you want. The flexibility is huge. And it's different from working a traditional 9 to 5 where you have set hours. You have to start, most companies, 8 to 5 or 7:30 to 4:30, like my previous company, but there was a set thing that you have to do. And then there's also the dress code. You have to dress a certain way. But most days I am usually in my sweater. Well, this is my new one, but I'm usually in my sweater, and I work out of the comfort of my own home. So that's one of the key benefits that you should definitely consider, is the flexibility. You are able to just set your own rules, do your own things, work with who you want, be flexible in how you work, your communication style, all those kind of things. And then this goes now to reinforce those flexibility reasons. Point number 2 is you are free to choose who you work with. Now, when you're at work, let's say you're in retail, you can't choose the customers that are going to walk in your shop. You can't choose Farmer John is going to come upset and shout at you for whatever happened to him in traffic. You can't help that. But as a freelancer, you can choose, because you can screen the clients. I will share a link in the description on my video on how to get clients and how to vet them as well. So you can actually start from the beginning of the process and be like, who do I actually want to work with? Who do I want to serve in my business? Who do I want to help? And then so a series of questions that you can ask is, who do I want to serve? Where are these people located? What is their need that I'm trying to help them with, right? And then you make your list. Obviously, there's a lot more questions involved in creating a buyer avatar, but those are the key things that you need to know. Who are they? What are you going to do for them? And what is the value you're offering? And then another thing is to create a form to screen these people. Now, you're going to create a form, ask them a series of questions. Who are you? How old is your company? You can even go down to what are your beliefs or what are your hobbies, just to get a sense of who they are. And then that will help you determine the type of clients. Now, it's not guaranteed, like at the beginning, you're going to work with the most amazing dream clients, as people say. However, as you work with the shitty clients, you will figure out the good clients, the ones that are worth keeping and worth working for. Cool. And then the next point is you have the flexibility to work from anywhere. So you can work from your home. You've seen my desk toe. You've seen that I work from home. I usually am in my sweater or in my or in my pajamas, or like sometimes I work from a cafe. Not as much as I'd like, but sometimes I work from a cafe. Last year I got to work from my mom's house for like 3 weeks because of the flexibility of being a freelancer or being a virtual assistant. The nice thing also is that you get to save money. Like there's no commuting, like going back and forth, unless of course if you're doing like hot seat or working at a co-working space, then obviously there's some commuting to be done. But if you're working from home, or if you're working from your clubhouse even, you've got that freedom to save extra money, which you can put towards better financial goals. Then this is important. Speaking of finances, they are little to no startup costs. So in my case, when I started my business, I had a laptop already, I had social media, I had a smartphone. So those things were already in place for me to be able to use. And for about a year, I used free tools. And I will also drop a link in the description below of a blog that I've done, which has 10 powerful tools that you can use, and they are all free. Okay, you can use these to build up your business. Obviously, as you get more money, as you get more professional, as your needs get more specific, you will end up paying for stuff. Like now, my website is hosted. I used to have a free website, now it's hosted. I used to just buy data the day I needed to work. Now I have fiber, so I'm basically plugged in all the time. But that comes with the growth. And then that's the next thing, is the growth opportunities are high. You can grow very quickly or at a pace that you are comfortable with. So in my case, when I started, I had like project clients. So they would come, I do the work, they go. Come, I do the work. And now I've been able to get retainer and package clients where I'm working with them for like a year, but in that year, it's month to month. We do a lot of work, and sometimes I deliver certain done work, deliverables, and then they pay me. And oh, a nice thing, which is point number whatever, I lost track, but you are in charge of your income, so you can earn whatever you want. Unlike traditional job where when you go to the boss, oh boss, man has some more money, the boss is like, yeah, I can give you 2%, and then like, oh but boss, I'm good at my job, please give me, and then the boss is like, okay fine, I'll give you 3%, I'm not giving you 10%. Okay, so you're in charge of your income, you're in charge of how you earn, you're in charge of that numbers. And this is quite good because then you can really set those targets, you can really work towards making that. And the nice thing is you can literally charge what you want because you are an individual. You are your skill set and everything that you have learned over the years help you to determine how to charge. Okay guys, so those are my 5 reasons, my 5 benefits for being a virtual assistant, being a freelancer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and stay tuned for new videos coming up soon. Bye.